asked the FBI to investigate.
If you wanted an FBI investigation, you could have come to us.
Here, there was nothing to investigate.
You want to reach the truth. The easy way to do that, ask the FBI to investigate. It's what we've always done.
Never in the history of background investigations has an investigation not been pursued when new, credible, derogatory information was brought forward about the nominee or the candidate.
I just want to point out that to support what Senator Whitehouse said, in the Anita Hill case,
Can we hear from Dr. Ford?
George Bush ordered that the investigation be opened again.
An FBI investigation is the only way to answer some of these questions.
When did you personally first request an FBI investigation?
I guess when we first started talking about the possibility of a hearing, I was hoping that there would be a more thorough investigation.
Would that investigation have been something that you would have submitted to an interview?
I would be happy to cooperate with the FBI, yes. I feel like I could be more helpful in that, if that was the case, in providing some of the details that maybe people are wanting to know about.
Every opportunity that we've had to find more truth, to find more facts, we've done it.
If you wanted an FBI investigation, you could have come to us.
While calling for an investigation, we're in the middle of a conversation that involves questions to you. And so I ask my Democratic colleagues, if you have questions for Judge Kavanaugh, ask him. If you have questions of other witnesses, then for the love of all that is sacred and holy, participate in the committee investigations that have been going on, as you have not been.
All the time you go through a background investigation by the FBI, then it comes to us, and there's always some holes in it that we have to follow up on.
Or I'll do whatever the committee wants. It's not for me to say how to do it, but just so you know, the FBI doesn't reach a conclusion. They would give you a couple 302s that just tell you what we said. So I'm here. They don't reach conclusions. You reach the conclusions,
No,
Senator.
but they do investigate questions.
I'm
And
innocent.
you can't have it both ways, Judge.
Well, it would seem that the FBI really doesn't do that. They've investigated about 6 times before, and it seems that they don't do that.
But here, there was nothing to investigate from at least one standpoint. They didn't know the location. They didn't know the time. They didn't know the year. If they would have come back with the most perfect, we found everything and he's perfectly innocent of everything, it wouldn't have made a difference. You wouldn't have gotten one vote.